Alrighty, we are back with my stupid cold voice and a Mechatron padlock, which is another magnetic lock that has this kind of cool key. Yeah, the key has this little recess that engages with this shape on the face of the lock, and that's how you apply tension. So let's pop that into the vise. I have my acoustic pickup on there, and we've got 3 magnetic elements, so they will be kind of here, here and here, and then to tension I've made this little 3D printed gadget to fit on there. I did originally try picking it with just the shape, but you're fighting the core, the shackle spring when you're tensioning it, which makes controlling tension with something that small kind of difficult. And I'm also left-handed, so I was finding I was just getting fingers and thumbs in the way of where I needed to apply tension. So I'll get some headphones on for this acoustic pickup, and then we'll get our tension in and try to find our so there's one there. One there. And then there should be another one up here. Yeah. So that one is set. We just need to try and set the other 2 now. Setting this one is tricky. We've got that one. So let's go and check this other one. Yeah, we lost this one in the process. That one set. Still got that one set. So we should just need to get this one there. There we go. And we're open. Turn this acoustic coupler off. So yeah, there we go. Lock is open. Slightly harder than the other one I picked earlier on. Just tensioning this is difficult, but yeah, it works. Works well enough. I've got a feeling I might have just soft bricked this as well, which, no, there we go. It just has a little sticky turning it back, so yeah. Yeah, it's hard to show in video, but the spring in this is actually fairly heavy for the size of the lock, especially as you get like to the right before the shackle pops, kind of here. It is quite a lot of tension you need. And this, yeah, I mean this tool can do it, but it's a little awkward. The tension control is harder when you're fighting a spring, but yeah, that's it. A Mechatron lock ME-21 38, which comes in this nice little box, and 2 of these tiny little keys.